Okay, today we're going to take a look at one of the better Zippos in the 007 collection. So this one arrived in the normal, or the box with the protective sleeve. It says Bond 007 gun logo. It's the normal Zippo black box with the same label above the barcode on the back. It's made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. So here is the 007 logo on the insert, which is a semi-collectible insert. It's always nice to have. Here is the Zippo. Now this is an armor, and this is heavily carved. That's not a plate. A really good sound with a steel insert, and it's got a mirror finish on it. Stampings on this are really good. It was made in J of 19, which is, I think it's September. And you can see right there it has the Armor logo on it. That little A inside the shield means it's 1.5 times as thick as a normal Zippo. This carving is really good. This is definitely the top one or two. The other really good armored Zippo I have is in brass. I think I like the brass one just a little bit better. And you can see this is an armor also. There's a little A. This is definitely a good one. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Bond Zippo. Passes the test easily. And I think this deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.